Okay, today we're going to be working on getting this busted up and doing some other things, get it stacked in the shop in the shed. And I'm going to go ahead and do a oil change on my log splitter. I always like to do that once a year. I normally run the hydraulic fluid about, this don't have an hour meter on it, but I changed it last year, so it should be good for this year. But let's go ahead and get this oil. This is a 10 millimeter. Looks like we are full. Whew. It got warm out here. We're gonna put this in there, start a new stack. We might wait till another day to do the rest of that. This done got hot. Okay, I was asked too about how many, how many chains I go through a year. And I don't go through that many. Of course, I'm running several chains. I hardly ever sharpen on the saw. I just change out. Um, but I do, go through, one or two a year. It seems like, as you can see, this one, you can see that it's down to almost nothing. I thought I'd show y'all too, if it'll focus here. See that, yeah, see that little line going across the top of the tooth? That's kind of like the wire bar on your tires of your car. When the rubber gets down to that cross piece on your tire, you're supposed to, go get new tires. And that's what that line's for. Once you sharpen back enough to that line, you should, go get you a new chain or whatever. But this one here is ready for the scrap bin. But we got to go look at a tree now. I had somebody tell me from church there was a tree down and I could have it. So I'm going to ride over there and look at that tree. Probably ain't going to start cutting it on it till next week. It's supposed to be down in the 50s next week. But we're supposed to get a little bit of rain, which we need the rain. It ain't rained in a couple weeks again now. But maybe we can catch a day where it's cool and we go over there and cut on that tree. But let's ride over there and look at it. That way we can make a game plan about what we need and everything. That's a pretty good sized little tree right there. That will be easy to get. Well, it's not going to be long till archery season is here, about 2 more weeks. I figure I'd knock the dust off the crossbow and see if it's still sighted in. A little high. Gonna have to give that a little adjustment. That's more like it. Thanks for watching.